Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Jason with MarineMax Clearwater. Wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek at an awesome trade we just took in. This is a 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. Boat only has 24 hours on it. In-service date was May 2019, so it's got a ton of warranty left from the manufacturer. You can see here we got the new V8 300s. These engines are extremely exciting. A lot of low-end torque gets this boat on plane extremely fast, and top-end speed on this heavy boat's about 52, 53 miles an hour. You can sneak a peek up top. We have a closed array Simrad radar. He's got the full set of transducers with a through hole, high frequency deucer, and then he's also got the all-in-one 3D deucer down there. So we step into the cockpit. There's not a whole lot of options we missed on this boat. We have the port side option, pull out bench seat. See our live well in the port side corner, and then our standard bench seat here pulling out aft. Two massive fish boxes to each side of this massive cockpit. And then here, lots of storage for everything you'll need on board. Where you see the bar here, that's going to be a pull-out footrest for this aft-facing bench seat. You can fit two grown adults there, no problem. Now this seat will obviously pull back, and so now we have a forward-facing bench seat, an aft-facing bench seat, and then this is a really cool option that you don't see on a lot of the 315s. It's actually a pull-out table out of the wall there. This middle cushion will pull out, so you have opposing seating if need be. And you can stow that down in the cabin. Stepping up to the helm here, everyone's favorite feature, joystick docking with skyhook and auto heading and waypoint tracking. Great system. Linked up with our twin Evo screens here from Simrad, Vessel View 7 upgrade, VHF radio here, and then our stereo here. Best part about the 315 when you get to this size Conquest is we got helm AC, guys. A must-have here in Florida. 4 vents blowing air conditioning on you. In the colder months, it can blow heat as well. Really nice captain seat, flip up armrest, bolster. Quick peek again at the large cockpit in the back of the boat. Up top above my head here, we have our canvas panel stowed, so we can wrap this entire helm station in 360 degrees. That has never been used on this boat. As you get a peek at another feature here that's also never been utilized on this boat with the quick trade was the cabin. They never slept on this boat. There's our galley here. We're going to have a microwave single burner stove, and then our refrigeration here, and then of course a freshwater basin there. This table will push actuate down with pressure, slide the cushions over. You can make a really nice berth up front. To step down into the cabin, you'll get a look. We do have the entertainment package on board as well. Nice pendant lighting everywhere. A lot of natural light and air coming into this boat up top. And then on the port side, you have another two. Facing aft here, again, this boat is a brand new trade. The boat's almost brand new. You can see all the comfort settings, pillows, still in the original packaging, never pulled out. Let us know if you'd like to take advantage of this trade. Definitely save some money over a new option. And we'll look forward to hearing from you. Again, this is Jason at MarineMax. You can reach me on my mobile phone anytime at area code 509-869-8306. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Have a great day.